Hey, I'm Ross with True Terpenes, and today I'm going to teach you how to remix the flavor and effect of a classic cocktail using True Terpenes strain profiles. Today, we're going to be making a super lemon haze drop. To start this recipe, you'll need a cup of sugar in a Ziploc bag, to which you're going to add 100 microliters of True Terpenes Super Lemon Haze. You're going to want to mix it well to distribute, and you're going to let it sit overnight. When you're done, you'll have something that looks like this. For the drink portion, we're going to take 1/2 of a lemon and a little bit of ice on top to muddle. That's well muddled, top with more ice. And add 2 ounces of vodka, a 1/2 ounce of simple syrup, and a 1/2 ounce of Cointreau. And shake. When everything's incorporated, take your glass and run a little lemon around the rim. And add your terpene sugar to the rim. And strain. Garnish with a lemon twist. And there you have a True Terpenes Super Lemon Haze Drop.